here at the Will Johnson Mechanic Shop. Nothing too crazy, just battery needs to recharge. What's your slogan? Where there's a will, there's a way.
All right.
And my great aunt June, her car needed that jump. She made it here though. I'll praise to the Most High God. I am making up la cama, aka ¿cómo se dice couch en español? Anyways, trying to aprender español, pero yo vas. Vamos a la playa. Anyways, yeah, I'm trying to learn Spanish a little bit. I know a little bit of Spanish, but not enough. Not enough. Right now I'm making this couch up. This is where I sleep, y'all. I sleep on the couch. I could blow up an air mattress every day and then deflate it every day, but I don't want to do that. So I'm just sleeping on the couch. It's just big enough for me to sleep comfortably. That's the word. And that's what I'm doing right now. And I think I'm gonna go outside and see what's the damage, because we had tornadoes for the past 2 days. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna finish this and then I'll go outside. The sun is out. Everything is okay. I usually take a walk. So let's do that. Let's take a walk. Only have this much water though. And I didn't bring no grapes this time. It'll just be a quick walk around the block. But yeah. Oh, I never even showed y'all how Goofy ended up looking. I got him really clean and he's drying off. He's probably dry by now, actually, now I think about it. But I just forgot to show y'all. You're just gonna have to take my word for it, unless I can show you later. If I don't forget then either. But yeah. Oh, I'm so happy. It's not even cold, but I'm gonna just keep this sweater on. It's got pockets. Alrighty. I don't really have nothing to say. I'm just gonna enjoy this walk. Yep. Guess where I'm at? Just don't know what I'm about to get up in here. I don't have no money for real. But I'm gonna look around. I like being here. They have a lot of stuff in here though. Some curl pudding. I'm gonna try not to spend all my money up in stores whenever I get money again. Cause what the heck? I want to get like another van. This is pretty. I like bone straight hair. Like whenever I have straight hair, I want it to be bone straight, no frizz. Fit for the day. It's giving very much hobo chic, but what do you say?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
I wonder what, and another one. Five of them. What are they doing? It must be time to mate or something.
Look at the fucking white one over here.
Yeah, I seen it. I seen a white one. It's like albino or something, right?
Oh, man, y'all.
They said we run these streets.
I know they come to our house every day on the other street. I just never seen that white one over here. I seen that white one at in Midwest City a couple years ago. Y'all want some pistachio? I feed them every day.
It's so crazy how they're all just hanging out here.
I'm sorry. It was just a pistachio.
He said stop littering.
He said don't feed them over here.
Feed them over here. I don't